I throw salute to country people. I throw salute. Na una man. Una ekona man. Una bamenda man. Una bakore man. Una ngi man. I'm proudly so. Una Pidgin box man. Una no. That way come ekona for coffee quarter for corner post to the church. Where you want to get talk Pidgin? You talk Pidgin for the kind of way any man want to look the way you talk the Pidgin. You say go confused because we get an original Pidgin. We talk the Pidgin topo nanje, panama duwala nanje newa, and they will say so much nika some, asiminga, but this is the wala. Now the way that we talk what Pidgin day. So we don't chakara the Pidgin for we don't chakara we what after say any man will look the Pidgin we don't chakara me to talk say okay yes not true. Hey I know the Ekuna man. Me to subscribe for the channel. Now so the thing there, una send the message. May go before. Send our new Pidgin platform this. Now for year with the Chakara Pidgin Tori. Any Pidgin Tori where they want know to Chakara. Now so no be get up. Me go get up with Chakara. Now so the thing there. So by Chari, Alela Boamu, Asalo all man. Abela also Nguelle play on a day. Yes. We talk about Brenda Biya. He talks in a planty. We don't carry like him back. Say, hey, planty the street. Oh, say planty street. Part that one we go get to say like him. Ngoh Ngoh, where it should on touch justice. Ngoh Ngoh no want to say, may they give convocation for Marc Brys. Hey, that's not pass people. You feel be oga for your country. Where it should on top justice for country. So, you threaten majesty them when they do their work. You threaten them because say you know say you dey for executive and una dey control all thing for appoint them una and all that kind of thing. Wetin happen when Ngoh Ngoh dey try for protect Marc Brys? We go try am for una for here, countryman, countrywoman. Cameroon dey so e go qualify for World Cup or not? Na another important question that we dey ask am. And na another tori. Na wetin? Na tori for Palava election for Fecafoot. They say people they don't vacate for Bamenda, they vacate for Bafusam, they vacate for that side for Garoua. Say they don't want the election, say go be a fake election, say the two didn't say no waka, they don't want some of the 2 fees for Fecafoot again. Now so then throw the story, they be plenty or they no be plenty. Now the question that one I will go for ask me, will they go now? Ime. Iye let's I say, baby you nyere inyo bachka assez el chike chondon grand frère salut to long time amen giringa nungwa nerayo ngotone ndoga nengwa nerayo indoga wazingema nejujuki ubiki na mungo nji iku dangia sora wana Indibinda budige mabunama nyaba mwaki uriyu akuta ombi rubutungwen nuwen inje nywe osumanguru ombia katole umaye zoreba nyaba mwaki uyibuku mekechi esi enum elugo kamas echuchu oribunum esita yungu oribunum Esita ingo punyajo nesi perika etanga ingene amumba mifu ungia. Okay, salute owner. We'll start now with the proper news. Election for Fecafoot, what did it happen? It take place over the weekend. It dey fine. They think waka fine. It waka fine. We see the publication where Fecafoot don't do for talk about the election where it take place for Garoua, for Yaoundé, for Betwa, it take place fine, for Douala for here, for Southwest, for Bafoussam side, for I don't talk Bamenda already. But some group of people there, they make some outing say they vex. They say they don't want to make the election continue. They want the election, they don't want me Samuel Eto'o be president for Fecafoot. They don't want Samuel Eto'o. Say Eto'o must leave Fecafoot. Say they not be satisfied with the way they run. See where the way they go on. I go begin look the image now. Once for look and say, okay, now how many people then? They live for a place. They live for some walls, so when they don't go for some open space, they hide for they go to snap them, they take phone, put up for there before, put up for that paper in the right time, and they put up for face or mouth go talk grammar. We don't happy with all the happy now with all the thing we don't do. We think say no go be for that president because we know they happy for all the thing we don't do. They go for that side for Bafusam, now the very thing. The very people they talk the very thing. They take some 2-3 people they say na referee. They say referee the back say they don't pay them. When they want to see they sanction them. This and that. Abdulrahman Amadu his own team too. They enter the matter. One go look at for inside Siam. Say minister for sport. He dey inside the matter. That people they don't come off fake food. When they want to say me a fees fall, they dey inside the matter. So na small manipulation. And then other people they manipulate them. They don't give them small chew. One they know a react or they hide their face. They don't want to they see them because they want chop now for 2 plates. They want chop for here for minister, chop for that side for fake food, chop for minister, chop for fake food. I chop for before, for back, for before, for back, chop for before, for back. But about football no, ndamba for Cameroon no. That's the thing. All that noise they make a bra 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 bra. Namburu. All them they want namburu. When they see when I parle Mburu, they did okay, no problem, man. They no shaking. That's what they think they countryman. Tori day. Cameroon go qualify for World Cup. Now the question that way with the ask up. That they will see that ball for prior. Now for they will know say player the way they be play World Cup for 1990, they will get lion spirit. People when they game at age, they feel understand the World Cup, they will see the image. But now the image they see they wanna figure go look up. Kaliga Hondamba, papa, dribble 1 man, dribble massing, dribble 1 man, dribble 2 man, English for that side after I don't dribble 2 man, massing. Benjamin tells you know go cross for you, I don't even take that ball, I go bunja you to the ball, massing, you go, boom. Now so Kaliga fall down. They don't give red card, they don't begin going. He boot say come out. Why Christopher will not do that very thing? Why Boyo will not do that very thing? No, but at the same period, at the same time, 1990, 2025. Now, we know say Cameroon, go be first. So Cameroon will qualify directly. Problem. And they say they replace a small competition for the 4 best second. Now we don't go look that classification for the first best second. We don't see Cameroon for the 4th. No, they need a 4 best second. Cameroon no dey for that 4. Ma give na the name for country dey for that 4. Gabon number 1. He did 18 points. Na best second. Una get Madagascar best second number 2. He get 16 points. Una get Congo Kinshasa, let me say DRC. He get 16 points number 3. Number 4, una tise na Cameroon, lalai to lalai. Na Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore country with 15 points. Cameroon na number 5. Number 6 na Namibia. Number 7 na Uganda. Una see the play where Cameroon go be there no. Na so the team day. So World Cup they run. The probability say Cameroon go qualify for that World Cup na 0. I say na 0. So na Marc Brys work that. You don't can Cameroon for can bring Maramanguru Ngwete. Na Maramanguru Ngwete we don't bring Ensan Damba. Na e wo disi anaso. Damba. You don't turn any kind of thing. Lion on table. Minister no one take blame. Minister what transfer blame. Ngongo what transfer blame. And we na them they control national team. The teacher don't know. We know all that thing. We know if you can fool we. We know fool people the way they don't know that thing. We know. Say now they control money for national team. Now they control all team. Now they put on a family member for extra plane. May they go prior. 33 people, family and colleagues who put the extra plane. They don't get no use for corner in the table lie on them. Now that the result don't come out. The result le rambe von kure. That's what Frenchman they sing up. Say. They will result report card, they give report card, and that day people will cry. Les jours de résultat, les larmes vont courir. Les larmes vont courir. Tears go run down on our eyes. That's what they think they. Another matter. The main matter. The main palaba. Now wait. Ferdinand Ngoh Ngoh, Mouelle Kombi. Why did they defend Marc Brys against some Cameroonian way? Marc Brys don't lie about it. Marc Brys don't make don't work. Marc Brys don't want pay money. Marc Brys don't communicate, spoil his name. Why? His name now Samuel Pascal Clément Eboué. Samuel Pascal Clément Eboué na who? Na FIFA agent. Without the nobody pay salary for Marc Brys. Marc Brys contact he tell you say this, so he want me work for you because Marc Brys don't get problem with Chi Ivo. That Chi Ivo bring it for Cameroon. As I talk for us, go reach tomorrow. Marc Brys never finish pay all the commissioner. He never pay. He never give the muru. Marc Brys never pay the money. Ah. Yeah. Marc Brys no. Cameroon inside. That be saying a Shingangang man to a third kind character person them. Now he left Chi Ivo now. He go contact na Clement Eboué. Say, what about this thing? I'll pay you when they'll give my money, this and that. Me they pay my salary because they never pay me now since 2 months. It's a problem. Clement Eboué say, okay, send me a contract. Me I look and say what some error they will use and capitalize. He say and the thing they hold and capitalize. Marc Brys he do all things. Marc Brys send his signature. He send them for Minister Mouelle Kombi. Send them for Feka Food. Mouelle Kombi receive. I make a say no receiver. Feka Food talk say we'll get our own receiver. So as if Feka Food talk say we'll get our own receiver. Problem start. Matter happen. So they get for pay salary for Marc Brys. And then they go talk for Marc Brys. Say me talk say never resign. Me talk say never resign. Marc Brys talk say never resign. Can Cameroon go for TV begin talk nonsense. Make a lawyer the write paper the book. He talk say this so they will cut book for some man way na he go forge signature for Marc Brys do so and when a Marc Brys give the authorization. So the man write. Neither he don't cut book for judicial police. So take carriage now they never give book for Marc Brys. They never give convocation for Marc Brys. Now way the lawyer them barrister Akum. He don't write now for Martin Bargangere Oga for police. He tell you say see what it happen since 2 weeks. They never give convocation for Marc Brys. They never even start for open inquiry about the matter. When a Cameroonian way it suffer for he work. He don't work, they don't want pay, they want spoil his name. But when they do everything, not for protecting. The thing don't go before way no. It don't be for way, it don't go be for the way. The way the thing go be now. It don't go by J for the way it go by J. Now so it happen now. So the way now reaction for Bargangele, for see what a judicial police go give convocation for Marc Brys. Because the Cameroon, I mean they give convocation, me go answer the thing. And then me whole me pay the money. It's simple. Why Ngongo? Why Mouelle Kombi they so protect that man? They if take that money, he give their only do now. And say they don't have some deal. Why be say they do everything for protect this man they call say Marc Brys? Wait na mauvais payeur. You know want pay my money, you give man work, the man work the work. You know want pay money, you start the defame me. That means say you spoil your name. That's so they talk am. Yes, you spoil the man name, spoil the man character, tarnish the man image. Pay money, no one pay am. Justice, police, give convocation. You know, no one give am. Now who they make pressure so that one no give convocation for Marc Brys? We get right for Axie. That question for ya. We talk about Brenda Biya. Brenda Biya sometime it be started make some kind of picture the way we see the kiss woman then. And then after it talk say he liking a woman. Say na woman we like her. And then French newspaper them they start to talk first president for Cameroon he Pidgin, he don't even lesbian, he follow a woman now, see him na this and that. I be talk that you say they say they don't give that girl money, me do promotion for that woman thing, and then man Pidgin thing. Man Pidgin what they? I go begin follow man Pidgin. Hey! Oi! Woman? Ha! No, you know that for the way sweet rich woman. And normal woman go tell you say, no, you know that for the way sweet rich man Pidgin. No, nothing. After man Pidgin for woman na money. So I know tell me say na money before woman, but that man na enjoyment. Because they go work money na for enjoyment. So enjoyment pass before money. Therefore, women Pidgin, that enjoyment it pass muru no. But muru de necessary yo. So Brenda Biya now, he don't do another video. He talk say, he dey na so from Brocot. Say na Brocot we like her now. He make the video. He talk for the video say, hi Brocot oh Brocot. So Brocot na fine thing. Say when you get farm Brocot, so when you test farm Brocot, the Brocot they make the thing the waka. Say it make your head the turn some kind of way. Say you don't know it, you don't lost plenty. He don't lost. The palava way we go give me that kind of thing, so he lost because Mrukona the best thing way if it happen for a woman. He like him, say he appreciate Mrukod, say na fine thing. So if you live plenty, you go give fine a beans, eh? You get plenty before you chop before you flop no. Now plenty and beans they go together. No be beans and beans, and no be plenty and plenty. Even nature say no one time no. Plenty with plenty, it will explode. Beans and beans. But beans and plenty, when you chop beans and plenty, oh. I hope so. my you when you look me now, you don't already test no beans and plenty. Now it bad. I'm saying the chop by the year. I'm saying the year they chop for your ear. You feed the thing for your body. Now so a day with man picking a woman. Man picking a woman. Man picking a plenty. Woman and beans. So beans and beans now woman. Plenty and plenty now man picking. So Brenda don't talk say now each day for palaba plenty. For where you go to use them for with the beans. Now so the thing a day.